Oh, God. Good morning! Nandito kami sa banyo. Gusto kong mag-oil ng aking buhok, guys. Itong alaga ko, inaantok siya. Nang makita niya ako, nandito ako sa banyo. Oh, you wanna... Down? Down? Okay, down. Bumaba. Gusto niya bumaba. Down. Okay. Mommy will put you down. Yeah. Itong dulo ng buhok ko, I soak ito ng oil mga ilang araw. Iniwan ko dito. And then now, kailangan ko ang aking scalp. Nagtataka si Matli kung sinong kausap ni Mami. But anyway, mahilig si Matli guluhin yung buhok ko. So, nilaro-laro niya to. Kinakagat-kagat niya yung, kahit may oil yung buhok ko. So, ayan. Papansin na naman siya. But anyway. Matli, no? Matli, no? Gusto niya kagatin yung carpet. No, baby. No bite. No biting. Good boy. I have a super dry scalp, guys. Which is so weird dahil yung mukha ko is super oily. Tapos yung scalp ko is super dry. Usually, kung oily yung mukha, oily din yung scalp, I think. But in my case, super dry yung scalp ko. I don't wash my hair every day. I wash my hair twice a week. But I wash my body every day. Just the hair. Nag-shower cap ako pag naliligo ako. So, yeah. My hair needs a lot of protection, a lot of oil dahil super dry talaga niya. So, after shower, I do scalp treatment. Meron akong, I think it's hyaluronic scalp serum, which is good. Very good. I like it. Kasi napiprevent niya yung dryness ng aking scalp. So, hindi siya masyadong dry. Pag ginaganito ko siya, sinascrub ko siya, wala akong makikitang flakiness. Wala naman akong balakubak. It's just super dry ang aking scalp. And I have this dryness ever since I remember, guys. So, yeah. Parang normal na sa akin ang ganito. Ang problema ko naman, if I wash my hair everyday, if I shampoo my hair everyday, itong dulo, magbe-brittle siya, super dry, mag-split ends, ayun. So, yeah, hindi ko siya sinashampoo. Hindi ko siya binabasa everyday. But today is the day na kailangan ko ng... So far guys, siguro ito yung time na walang masyadong flakiness ang aking scalp. Wala akong nakikita masyadong... It's not that flaky compared before. Dahil naglagay ako ng hyaluronic scalp serum, which is very helpful, guys. Very good. It's a lifesaver for me. I bought it from Sephora. So, but now I'm gonna use this amla oil. I got this from Amazon. Yung amoy niya super tapang, super strong. I don't like it. Some people said that it's because medicinal siya, medicinal oil. It came from a plant called gooseberry. And then I guess they mix it with something, guys. Dahil grabe talaga yung tapang ng popular to sa Indian Indian women. Ito, mahilig sila nito. Anyway, and it's kulay green. Minsan, pag ino-overnight ko to, pagising ko sa umaga, stain na yung aking pillowcase. Dahil kulay green siya. I warm this up for 20 seconds sa microwave. Ba? Yes, and then it's very important to keep the scalp hindi naman oily but moisturized, hydrated, para hindi siya mag-flaky. I don't think the oil is enough. But anyway, I have been soaking the ends naman for how many days na. I soak it with a different kind of oil. I think I use almond oil. I have almond oil or jojoba oil. So I use them. And then this is my second time using the amla oil. Naalala ko yung friend ko sa Pennsylvania. She's Indian. Yung buhok niya, laging naka-oil. May oil siya palagi. So that's like their part of their culture, hair oiling. And she has super nice, long, black, silky hair. Sana all, no? Yeah, so ganito lang siya, guys. Yung alaga ko, merong kinagat niya ang carpet, meron siyang something sa bibig niya. Matli. Nasisira na siya. Parang matatanggal na siya kasi it's rubber lang, guys. And then naka-attach lang siya dito sa handle niya. Matli, no. Matli. This is good. Meron akong isa nito which I use for nagsa-shampoo ako sa aking buhok. And then ito yun yung gamit kong pang-scrub ng aking scalp. This is specifically for oiling lang. Kasi grabe, kumakapit yung oil dito. So, ayoko siyang gamitin pag nag-shampoo ako. No, Matli. No. No, baby, no. No. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. You have to sleep. Hopefully, wala ka nilang. You're a good boy. Matli, you're a good boy. He wants to play with me. Kaso hindi ko pwede. So, what I'm gonna do next, guys, is mag-steam ng aking buhok para ma-penetrate sa scalp ko yung oil. I have a steamer. Wait, baby. He is whining. Nagre-reklamo na si Matli. Papansin. But anyway, I have this steamer, guys. So, ganyan na siya. Plug it in and I will steam my hair for 10 minutes lang. Or, okay, I can set this to low or high. So, gagawin ko, I'll start with high and then go down to low after a few minutes. Para mabilis. Kasi super bored na si Matli. And then, after this, I put coconut oil for the ends of my hair. I use refined coconut oil na ganito siya, guys. Ayan. Wala siyang amoy. Actually, meron. Konti lang. Hindi masyadong, whereas yung, alam mo yung coconut oil natin pag gumagawa tayo mismo. Alam ko yun kasi I used to make coconut oil dati sa probinsya, nung bata pa ako. It was very, it has kind of like strong. Mas matapang yung amoy niya. But this one, dahil processed na siya, hindi masyadong matapang yung amoy niya. But I can tell this is coconut oil. Hindi nga lang masyadong matapang. Which is good. So, ito yung gagamitin ko for the ends of my hair. How Matli is doing? You doing good? Oh. You want this? He wants this. This is olive oil. Olive oil. This is coconut oil, baby. Yeah, mommy. Mommy's going to the kitchen. You know you need to sleep. Oh, look. You have a toy over here. Look, Motley. Look. Look. Motley. Look. What's this? Look at that. Yeah, that's your toy. That's Motley's toy. Yep. I think this is a lot. Pag matunaw kasi to, dadami na yan. Alright, so this should be it. Yep. It's almost lunchtime for you, Motley. 12:04. 1 p.m. will be your lunchtime. You didn't even finish your food yet. So, it's melted. Ayan siya, guys. It's melted. So, it's not totally melted. Ayan, papamelt na siya. But it's warm. That's perfect. Let's go back to the bathroom. Time to put the coconut oil. I'm just gonna put some normally in my scalp as well. It feels good kasi warm. Oh god, it's dripping sa carpet. Okay. Wow. Wow, super oily na yung scalp ko, guys. But this is good. This is healthy for the hair. Toner. Si Motley, natulog siya kanina. Tapos, what is he doing, honey? He's biting shoes. Oh, God. Naubusan ako ng regular na toner. So, I used this one. This is hyaluronic acid serum. Ay, serum pala to. Hindi pala to. Toner. Ano ba? And then, I'm almost out. Actually, nag-order ako ng replacement nito kasi nauubos na yung mga ano ko. Skincare ko. Both morning and night skincare. So this is my morning moisturizer from La Rose Posay. Double Repair Face Moisturizer. Ayan siya. It's very good. It keeps my face hydrated all day long. Wow! Ano na talaga to? Ano? What's the term? Sagad na sagad. Tama ba yun? Okay. So, yep. Moisturizer on. Motley, no. Motley, no. Kinakagat na naman yan yung carpet. Go play with Daddy. Where's Daddy, Motley? Where's Daddy? Motley. SPF 50. No show, no color. Ito na yung ano ba, bulol. Ito na yung favorite SPF ko. Kasi naglalast din siya ng matagal. Water resistant din siya. So kahit pagpawisan ka or matilimsikan ng tubig yung mukha mo, okay lang. Motley! No, baby! No! No! I have a package, guys, that just came in a while ago. It's so hard. And my little one is so curious about this package. Say hi to the camera. Up, up, up. Hi! Hi! I want to see what mommy is doing. I want to smell the package too. No. No. Kagigising lang niya, guys. And he wants to play. He wants to play. Go play, baby. Go play. Go play. Go play. Ang among bugoy. Ang among bugoy. Ayan. Ayan. Okay. Go play. Go play. Oh my God. Gusto niya umakyat dito, guys. Not a good idea. Yeah. Daddy will be here soon. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, down. 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 Malik down. Good boy. He's such a good boy. Yung in-order ko, guys, para sa aking papaubos na skincare routine. Actually, wala akong na-order na night skincare moisturizer dito. At ganito ako magsalita today. But anyway, I wanna show you guys kung anong nandito sa loob. First, we have the La Rose Posay. This is so good, guys. Double repair moisturizer. Ayan, kasi papaubos na yung isa ko. And then I have the Anua toner, which is my favorite. Nakatatlong bottle na ako nito, guys, kasi my skin likes it. Hindi siya oily sa skin, hindi siya drying sa skin, wala siyang alcohol. It's so good, and it's a pore minimizer. Matlino. Ayun. Gusto niya kainin yung remote control ng TV kasi I'm watching a vlog on TV. So, naka-on yung TV. Tapos, bored ang aking alaga. So, next one, guys, is the cleansing oil. Same brand din. Parang sponsored ng video na this is not a sponsored video. But, I just like to share with you guys kung ano yung gamit ko for my skin sa mukha. Ayan, this is the cleansing oil. Ito ang aking gamit. May nakuha si Matli na papel. Next naman, guys, ay ito yung facial wash. Ayan. So, that's it, guys. And then I have another one. I haven't used this before, but I wanna try this. See how my skin would react. Kung magugustuhan ba siya ng balat ko. But yeah, first time I've read a lot of reviews and comments about this. That this is so good. It's Anua niacinamide 10% serum. Ganyan siya, guys. So ayan, no-order ko lang sila from Amazon. And then the last one, para naman sa aking buhok. Nag-order pala ako neto. But this is the castor oil, guys. This is so good pag gusto niyong mabilis tumubo yung buhok. This is very moisturizing for the scalp. I would mix this. I don't use this na ito lang as is. I would always mix this with a carrier oil, pwede coconut oil, jojoba oil, olive oil, and then mix with this kasi this is very, yung consistency niya is very thick and it's so hard i-blend sa scalp, guys. I-blend sa scalp. Basta it's so hard na ilagay siya sa buhok pag ganito lang. It's very sticky, very thick. So that's it, guys. Castor oil.
Alright.
What you got, Daddy?
This is for you.
What's for me? Yay! Because I ran out of this.
You need a chip container.
Okay. Motley is doing the zoomies. There's some chips from last time, Daddy. You need the other container too?
Yeah. Take that out.
This is the other chips.
I got your lunch right there.
Oh, really? Oh, thank you, Daddy. What is it?
Lunch. There's a place over there in Coconut Creek.
Oh, surprise lunch. Thanks, Daddy. Wow, sun chips, yummy. What is that?
Sweet potato.
Oh, sweet potato. Can I try it, Daddy? I just brushed my teeth. No, this looks like plantain, honey. This is
Yeah.
good. Mr. Matley. Tulo laway. Mr. Matley is drooling. It's good, honey. It's ripe plantains. Banana chips. Daddy has a surprise for you. Come, up, 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 up. What is it, Daddy?
Give me one of those.
Daddy has a surprise for Matley. Is it yummy? That's Matley's favorite. Look, Daddy, give him one, Daddy.
I'm gonna do it now. Let me get the thing.
It's big. Don't make Mommy's face.
Where's those circles, little circles?
Circle? Maybe under, maybe in the back. Yeah, yeah. Look, Daddy has a treat for you.
Bacon!
Yay, a treat.
Bacon flavored.
Bacon? Is that his first time with bacon?
Yep.
Oh, thank you, Daddy. He can't wait. He can't wait.
Now he has the peanut butter, the beef.
And now the bacon.
Oh God, it smells so good. Oh, so good smelling.
Okay, give him one, Daddy.
I want him to smell the.
Let him smell.
He's ready to eat the container. There's the plastic.
Down.
Bacon.
Yeah, yummy. Look at this. He got something from outside.
That was good.
Did you like it? How is it, Matley? You like it?
Remember he didn't like the beef one at first, and now
Yeah.
he loves the beef one.
Oh, he loves the beef one? I've never
Yeah.
eaten the beef one.
Yeah.
Looks like he likes the bacon too. Hey, Mr. Sauces, tomato sauce, different kinds of sauces, mayonnaise. Oh, look at that! Fries in burger.
Let me see it.
What's the name? Marco's Top Burgers. It's the name of the place. It's open to burger, guys. Look at that. Thank you, Daddy. Matley, Mommy's lunch. It's so big. What kind? Is this a... Look, it's so big. Smells so good. I see onions, lettuce, tomatoes, potatoes, and the cheese. Looks so vegetables here. This looks good, smells good.
Hey.
Mmm. Mmm. Nakapal yung burger sa gitna. Sarap. Wow. Nakapal. Mmm. Miss, Matley, lumabas si Daddy niya. Matley, no! So good. Fries is so good, guys. I almost finished it, but I need to stop now.
Ready? Go.
Kibbles. It's just a kibble. Where is it?
What did you do with the one I had out this morning? That's the green.
I put it away.
I like that one.
No, it's not green. It's you had the lavender one, purple one.
Yeah. I should go ahead. It's for the bathroom.
It's for the bathroom. Ah, rug.
To replace the one there.
Ah, okay. Do not replace it.
What?
Do not replace it in the bathroom.
It's going to replace it in the bathroom.
Put it somewhere else because we need a rug here and we need a
Hey,
rug
this is the bathroom.
on my bathroom too. I need a rug.
I'll just replace it and then send it back.
Wait, oh, You got it in different color, Daddy.
Yeah.
Is this nice? Oh, okay. You want to be involved. Oh, yeah. What's Daddy? What, Daddy?
He wants to poop on it.
Molly wants to poop in her house. I'm not going to do that. Oh, Daddy, help me.
Poop, look at the poop.
Okay, down. You move too much. I can't hold you up. Let him smell it.
He's gonna want to poop on it. He's gonna bite it. It's not let him smell. It's dirty.
Put it in the washroom.
Put it in the bag.